Wearing jersey number 6. Hit for 2. Another pass to Segui, jersey number 3 being harassed by Clemente. Pass must fall sa press. Number 9. Pass jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 9, Rochelle. Pass to Manalad. And wearing jersey number 9, jersey number 6, Manalad. Manalad on the go being harassed by Pascual. And there's a planning foul. 06 to Villasenor, jersey number 01 being troubled and foul by jersey number. Rebound by Villasenor, pass to Manila. And Villasenor fire. Negin, rebound by Hernandez. Jersey number 06. And still by Clemente. Jersey number 11. Foul jersey number 23. Bench lang, bench. Baba sa bench. Players, baba sa bench. Players, baba sa bench. Foul. Number 01, foul. Negin. Out of bounds. Rochelle. Pass jersey number 13. Jumper. Hipólito. Nice shot. Good. Taking smart. Set to the hole. Jersey number 7 on the go. Being troubled. And check. Jersey number 13. Hipólito. Pass to Rochelle. Jersey number 9.
Third game na.
Hernandez. And there's a missile foul coming with the pass to Doncio using the glass. Easy for 2. Bench. Rangers the number 01, Villasenor. 5. Negin. Double foul. Double foul with jersey number 7 and jersey number 26. Negin and Hernandez and still by Hipólito and Rochelle on the go, jersey number 9. Pass to Clemente. Negin and Hernandez for the rebound. Pass 0-1. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to play. The kiss being troubled. Clemente, pass to Michelle, 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds. Number 2. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our barangay councilor, Mr. Rene Garcia. And wearing jersey number 9, Rochelle, Negin, and Joel. Still by Segui. Out of that, down the ladder. 5. Negin, rebound by Joel. Pass to Clemente, jersey number 11. Jumper on the middle, Negin. And Segui. Wearing jersey number 3, slicing the road. Pass jersey number 12, 5. Negin. Labas, labas! Manalan, jersey number 6 with the flip and there's Amizel. Foul by jersey number. Official timeout. Again and Rochelle for the rebound. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 11, Clemente. Pass to Manalan. Jersey number 6. Pass to Rochelle. Jumper. Yes, sir. Good. For 2. Manila. 5. Nagid and Joel for the rebound. Pass and steal by Manila. Clemente ngayon. To jersey number 9. Nice shot. Good. For 2. Score. Jersey number 12. Pass jersey number 7. Manila. And there's Amizel. Foul committed with jersey. Jersey number 6 to Clemente. Jumper. Perimeter shot. Negative. And the kiss for the rebound. Yes. Hernandez. Pass jersey number 12. 5. Negative. Rebound by Rochelle. Jersey number 9. Pass to Manala. Yes, sir. Good. For 2. Segi. Pass to Manila. Manila. Breaking the defense. Yes, sir. Good. For 2. Pass jersey number 11. Clemente. 10 to shoot. 5. And still by Hernandez. Pass to Manila. Breaking jersey number 7, Manila. Bringing down the ladder. Breaking the defense. Jumper. And there's Amizel. Point guard. Phil Senor pass on to the middle. Hernandez. Too short. Rochelle. Pass jersey number 6. And to Casas. And there's Amizel. And still by Phil Senor, jersey number 01. Being troubled. Pass Seki, jersey number 3. Nice shot, good. And jersey number 11, Clemente. Nag-hit, rebound by the kiss. Wearing jersey number 01, Phil Senor. Nag-hit. And gets the basket by the Sampa foul. 6. Rochelle. Pass on to Clemente. Clemente pressing the ball pass to Rochelle. And to Islao Manalad. Manalad on the go. Jersey number 6. Nagit. Nice shot. Good for you, jersey number 9. And breaking jersey number 7, Manila. Being harassed by Clemente. Pass to Villa Senor. And there's a Amizel foul coming by jersey number. And Segi, jersey number 3, Segi. Nice shot, good. For 2. Rochelle taking smart, setting the table. Sa ilalim, Clemente. Negative rebound by Segi. Pass to Villa Senor. Jersey number 01. Pass jersey number 3. Negative rebound by Manila. Nice shot, good. For 2. And wearing jersey number 9, 5. Negative. And the kiss pass to Villa Senor, jersey number 01. And to Segi, pass to the kiss, using the pass, he's for 2. And jersey number 11. To jersey number 6, Manalad. Pass to Casas, 5. Nagil and Taos. Nagil. Tabigan, mangingibabaw. Hernandez. jersey number 06 on Sportsman's Live. Negid, rebound by the Kiss. And foul by jersey number 5. Negid, and Islam Manalat for the rebound, jersey number 6. Manalat. Negid, and the Kiss for the rebound. Pass to Till. And still by Hipolito, jersey number 13 on the go. Pass to Clemente, jersey number 11. Negid. And same ball. Number 01. And gets the basket by kasama pang foul by jersey number 9. And jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 3, Segi. Foul jersey number 11. Third personal foul penalty. Negid. And rebound by jersey number 9, Rochelle. Rochelle on the go. Pass jersey number 20. 6 sa ilalim, Hipolito. And there's a whistle foul committed by jersey number. Cover rebound by Manalat. Pass jersey number 11, Clemente. And Rochelle for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds. And concealed jersey number 29. For 2. And Lopez, 11. And there's a whistle. Foul. Or out of hand. And Clemente. Pass to Rochelle, jersey number 9. Check. Tapikan, mangingibabaw, Rochelle. And to Clemente. Shot clock, down to 10. And gets the basket by kasamang foul by jersey number 12. And Rochelle to Hipolito. Nice shot, good for 2. Timon, jersey number 01, slicing the road. And gets the basket by kasamang foul by jersey number 13.
Ano yung padyak mo na yun?
Nice one. Manalat on the go. Too strong. And power rebound by Segi. Pass. Segi, jersey number 12. Yes, sir. Good. For 2. Clean time. 20 seconds. Agawang buko. And Manalat. Negid. Rebound by Tunsil. Pass, jersey number 12. Game time down 5. We have set again for 2. 3 seconds. Pass jersey number 11, pass jersey number 6, F2. Jersey number 9, Rochelle, being harassed by Segi. Block. Pass jersey number 12, Segi. On the middle, Tunsil jumper. Negid, rebound by Rochelle to Clemente. Smart looking for a friend, pass to Manalat. Manalat on the middle, jumper. Negid, rebound by Manila. Rain. Jersey number 7, pass jersey number 1, Villaseñor on the go. Nice shot, good for jersey number 11, Clemente. Pass jersey number 9. And Rochelle pass to Manala, then Joel. Nice shot, good for 2. And jersey number 01. Villaseñor. Both teams, both teams. Both teams. Hindi lang to. Ito. And jersey number 9, Rochelle. On the middle. Nice shot. Good. For Segi taking a smart pass to Conceal to Segi. Jersey number 3. Pass to Segi. Jersey number 12. 5. Nagid. And bring jersey number 11 on the go pass onto the middle. Rochelle. And number 3 bringing down the letter. Pass to Conceal. Conceal taking a smart on the go. Jersey number 29. Nice shot. Here. For 2. Pass to Manalad. Manalad on the go pass onto the middle. Check. And Segi. Segi. Segi taking a smart pass to Segi. Jersey number 12. Pass to Segi. Segi pull up 3 points. Rest. Jersey number 9 and steal by Conceal. And Manala, jersey number 6. Block. And to Segi. Pass jersey number 9. And there's a whistle foul between jersey number 1. Segi. Nice shot. Here. For 2. Rochelle. Yes, sir, does. 3, Segi bringing down the letter. Segi pass to Segi being harassed and out of bounds. Pass to Segi, jersey number 3 to Segi. 5. Yes, focus. And Rochelle on the go. Jumper. Nag-hit, rebound by Manila. And check to Clemente. And Rochelle on the middle. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number to Manila. Jersey number 7, Manila bringing down the letter. Manila setting the table. Pass on to the middle. Nice shot. Good for jersey number 3. Safe. Jersey number 9 being troubled. Pass to Manalan. Jersey number 6. Pass jersey number 9. Yes, sir. Good. Exactly. And Segi. Look for 3. Jersey number 9. Crossing the record, setting the table. Jersey number 9 pass jersey number 6. Manalad on to Clemente. To Clemente. And gets the basket like the sound of 5. Nag-hit and Conceal for the rebound. 2 puntos. Number 9. And Tucases, jersey number 16. With 14. Villaseñor pass to Manila. Manila being harassed by Hipolito. Rochelle pass to Manalad. Manalad being troubled pass to Rochelle. Jersey number 9. And 2. Jersey number 06 out of. And jersey number 9. Nag-hit. And there's a double foul. Shot clock down to 10. 5. Pass jersey number 16, Cases. Pass to Hipolito. Nag-hit. Hernandez for the rebound. 10-second shot clock. Nag-hit. And Rochelle for the rebound. Jersey number 9 on the go. Jumper. Lays. Good. For 2. And jersey number 01. Villaseñor. Jersey number 01. Pass jersey number 12. 10-second shot clock. Hernandez. Jersey number 6, Manalad. Jersey number 6 bringing down the letter. Same ball. And tapigan, mangingibabaw Hernandez ni Manila out of bounds. Baste, jumper, bang! And jersey number 6, Manalan. Good for 2. Play. And foul by jersey number 03. And wearing jersey number 1, Villaseñor. Negid. And Slow Manalan for the rebound, jersey number 6. Manalan. Negid, rebound by Segi. Jersey number 12. And gets the basket and is up. Jersey number 9 on the go. And there's a whistle foul coming with jersey number to Manila. Wearing jersey number 7. Check. And Hipólito. Wearing jersey number 18 on the go. And steal. Baste. And there's a whistle foul coming with jersey number. And the jersey number 12. Segi to Pascual. Jersey number 23, 10 second shot clock. And jersey number 12, pull up, 3 points, too strong. And rebound by Baste, jersey number 03. Nice shot, good. For 2. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to play. Yes, good for 2. To Hernandez. Out of bounds, Shell. Pass to Manalan. Manalan taking to Rochelle on the middle. Good for 2. Pass to Segi. Segi taking smart pass to Pascual. Pull up, 3 points. Negid. Nice shot. Good for 2 by jersey number 06. Jersey number 9. Rochelle. Good for 2. Manila. And fast jersey number 7. Manila. Manila taking smart. Fire. Bang. Rest. Puntos. Pass jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 6. And check by Segi. Wearing jersey number 12. Ang magtitimon pass si Segi, jersey number 3 on the go. Check by Clemente. Negid. Pass jersey number 9. And Baste, pull up. Negid. And Manalan. To Clemente. Negid, tapigan, mangingibabaw. Pascual. Pass to Seki. And steal by Baste. Jersey number 03. Jumper. Negid. Pascual for the rebound. Pass to Seki. Jersey number 3. And Seki being troubled. Nice shot. Good for 2. Pass jersey number 03, Baste. Pass jersey number 6, jersey number 9. And Rochelle, too strong. Same ball. And wearing jersey number. And jersey number 3, Segi. Pass jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 12. 6 minutes and 15 seconds to play. And second shot clock. And Segi. Negid. Tapigan, mangingibabaw, Hernandez. And steal by Baste. Jersey number 03 to Manalan. And first Semisel. 6, jersey number 12 to jersey number 6. Pass to Pascual.
Step back.
5. Negid. Pass jersey number 23. Negid. And Manalad. Wearing jersey number 6. Nice shot. Good. 14. Secretary Luke SK Treasurer J. Tribo. At syempre, sa ama ng Barangay Poblasyon, Kapitan Chester Cunanan. Here with us tonight, kasama ang kanyang pass jersey number 03, Baste, pull up, Negid. And rebound by Villis Senior. Jersey number 01. Pass ni Pascual. And jersey number 12, Segi. Segi taking smart, being harassed by Baste. And check by Daos. Pass to Rochelle, jersey number 9. And 14. To Hernandez, pass sa Pascual, to Villa Senior.
Mapatay sila ng oras.
Manalad. Pass to Rochelle, pull up, 3 points. Negid and the keys for the rebound. Pass to Villa Senior. Pass jersey number. And 12, jersey number 12, pass jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 23, pass jersey number 12. Shot clock, 10 seconds. And Hernandez. Pass to Pascual for 3. Negid. Manalad. Pass to Clemente. Nice shot. Good. For 2. Papas jersey number 01. Villa Senior. Pass to Pascual. Jersey number 01. 10 seconds. And Pascual pressing the ball. 5 seconds. Hernandez. Pass to Manalad. And to Rochelle. Negid, driven by the Kiss. To jersey number 1. Villa Senior. Next game, be ready. Bogley versus Mix and Much. Wearing jersey number 12, pass jersey number 23, Pascual. Pass jersey number 12, Segi to jersey number 01, 10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 01, taking smart on the middle. Negid. Nice shot. Good. For 3. 20. And Baste. Pass to Rochelle. To Manalad. Jersey number 6. And there's a whistle foul. And Baste block. Wearing jersey number 06, pass to Manila. And the Villa Senior, jersey number 01, pass jersey number 12. Shot clock, 10 seconds. 1 minute and 50. Negid. And the keys. To Hernandez. Pass to Segi. Pass to Manila. Manila, 5 seconds. Second shot clock. Same ball. Pass jersey number 3. Pass to Manalad. Manalad to jersey number 9. 7 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Negid. And Rochelle for the rebound. Negid. Tabigan, mangingibabaw, the kiss. Pass jersey number 1. Villa Senior. Jersey number 1. Bringing down the ladder. Pass jersey number 7. 50 seconds to play. 45 seconds. And there's a miss. Negid. And jersey number 6. And there's a whistle foul committed by jersey number. Negid. Last. That's 1. And Villa Senior. And still by Manalad. Jersey number 6. Pass on to Hipolito. Saint Paul.
Ah, sure ball ka! Wala!
Baste, Tumanalan.
Shot!
20 seconds. Again. Last throw. And rebound by Clemente. Pass to Rochelle. 5. And Villaseñor. Passer na lang yan. Out by Baste. Two seconds remaining.
Nine. 99.94.